Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be in this world. This is Hedging Lee with another morning update for Bitcoin. So let's see what the overnight price action has given us. We have my broadening pattern line still in effect. I am still looking for the Fibonacci 1.618 to be hit. I'll draw that out again. So we went from a low of around, let's say, 3,000 to the prior high. Excuse me. Let's do this again. So price is now just stuck between 0.23 and the 3.386 Fibonacci region, which makes sense. And from an Elliott wave point of view, that's because wave is doing it from a 3 and a 4, so ABC. And I believe the ABC is complete. Sorry, this is a triangle. ABC. And if that ABC is complete, it's doing the 3 and 4 in between the 0.236 and 0.382 Fibonacci zones. I believe the price will go sorry, this is a little off. Too high. Sorry about that. I thought that was strange. It's bouncing between 0.38 and 0.5. I believe the price will go to 1.618, which is at around 6,200 or so. 6150, 6200, give or take $50 at that level. What difference does it make? Very little. Sorry, I had to take a little moment of a break. I had another call coming in. So I think we are looking at a higher high into the 1.618, 6150 to $6,200. Maybe even slightly high, it'll overshoot a little bit. Now I'm going to remove this and then I'm going to zoom back out and just move this line forward a little bit because time has elapsed. No change, but move it just a little bit to give it time space for it to reach out. Okay, now the MACD is about equal. There's a teeny bit of a ceiling still left on the negative divergence, but it's curling. And it may curl and straighten and curl again. Any of that combination is possible. Now, I have been spending some time to rethink what the count could be. And I want to bring it here, a new count. So as we know, I had called this the top of wave 3, and I was looking for wave 4. And what I'm now proposing is, if the wave 4 is here, this is my bigger picture count. And we have started on wave 5 up. And this going vertical and going one more to 6,200 from an Elliott wave count, it could look like this in my opinion. This is a 4-hour chart. So 1, 2, 3, back to prior wave 4 of lesser degree, 4. And since 3 is extended, I'm going to make 5 equal to 1. And 1 went to from 28, from let's say 3,000 to, so 1,200 bucks. So from current 54, 6,800. We'll have it so that wave 5 is therefore equal to wave 1. So I've thought a long time on this. And after a lot of staring at the chart, which I do quite often, I decided to say, okay, wave 4 is in. And that means we are on 1, 2, 3 is almost done. 3 of 5. And let me just move this here. Oops. So if we have 5 go like that, 5 of 3 go like that. And this is the wave that I'm looking at here. But it'll go to 6,200. Where did it go? Okay. And then from there we'll see an ABC correction because it means 1, 2, means 3 is done. So 3 can be counted. Actually, I could put this menu. 3 can be counted as a subdivision. And if I subdivide wave 3, which I had been 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 4 I've been calling for with a 5. Oh, come on. Stop moving the whole thing. There you go. So we have wave 1, 2, 3. Subwaves of 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after this 6,200 is hit, I believe since 5 subwaves are in it, or since wave 3 is complete, there needs to be a 3-wave retrace. A, B, C. Okay, and I'm going to make that red. It's a submicro. And that ABC will give wave 4. And that ABC will come down to the level as is prior wave 4 of a lesser degree. And if you want to look at the, I was going to show you the fib, Fibonacci's, but I won't right now. It'll get too long. And then from here, we'll see. I think this could be coinciding potentially with the fork. And then from here, we will see 5-wave impulse showing the tippy top. And this is the region where you really want to take your profits. Get the hell out. If this count is correct, 3 was here, 4 was in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 5. I thought maybe we could see 7, 8,000. We could still. I don't see why not 7,000 is impossible, actually. Oh, no. Keep moving the whole thing. There you go. Okay. And what is important here is first be calm, be serene, don't be greedy, don't panic. Here is presented to you a pathway, a price pathway. After we do the phase of third wave, have a correction. If you want, you can ladder in for the traders and ride the first few waves and get out. That's what I plan on doing. I won't ladder in at all. I'm not going to buy anything. In fact, I may sell at 6,200 all my Bitcoins. Yes, I may sell all my Bitcoins here. And in this phase, I may sell all my altcoins. So I'm going to write that here. At around 6,200-ish, 6,000. And here, I'm going to write okay. These are my sell points for Bitcoin is here. And I'm not going to stick around for this too long. Somewhere here, I'm going to sell all. So what will happen? I will be 100% cash. I don't want here. I don't care if I miss another 1,000 to 7,000. Or less than if I sell at 6,800 and it goes to 7,600, I couldn't care less. Not even an ounce of care or FOMO, because I will be humbly and gratefully taking my Bitcoin profits here, and I will be taking all my altcoin profits very humbly and gratefully here. I will not debunk anyone for staying in the market. I will only do what I see in my technical analysis. And so far, it has treated me very well. So once again, 3 was here. I have not put in and called wave 4 to be here. I believe wave 1, 2, 3 is completing. That's been subdivided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 is on its way. We're going to see an ABC correction or some complex correction since wave 2 was a quick, simple correction. And it'll probably go down somewhere to the prior wave 4 of a lesser degree. And since in this case on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 3 is the extended, usually wave 1 and 5 are about equal. But I've made it a little longer. Because usually in the last hurrah, last gasp, there's one more orgasmic lunge. You may see another attempt of vertical here. So I'm giving it maybe instead of 6,800, I'm going to bring it to maybe 7,200, 7,300. And what will I do? At near 6,000, 6,200, I'm going to sell all my Bitcoins. At near the final rise of Bitcoin, I'm going to sell all my altcoins. And gratefully and humbly take all my profits and go 100% cash. So yes, I'm saying danger, Robinson. Danger, Will Robinson, that robot. You do not want to be here in the market, 100% invested. And if I'm wrong, I couldn't care less. If I'm wrong and this goes to 8,000, not an iota of FOMO. Because Elliott wave states there's 3 waves in, wave 4 is in, and this is the final wave 5. And from here, we'll get some pretty interesting corrections coming on. Going back to this. I put this out last night. It was well received. That was good to see. This was a good time to buy. This on the MACD was a very nice time to buy. Here you should have sold. Buy back again. We caught this. We sold this. I caught 7 rungs of this. Sold a few, bought back a few, sold a couple. I still have a good amount left. Going to sell it at around 6,000 plus. Why? Now is not the time to be taking buying actions. Now is the time to be taking profit sell actions. And for those of you who, there's a lot of different ways of taking profits. If you've got 1,000 Bitcoins, maybe sell a half. Because once the correction's done, you can buy a lot more with that profit. And that is where you grow your net liquidity value of your account. By buying low, selling high. By buying low, selling high. We had that opportunity to buy low, we took it. Now we're going to sell and gratefully take our profits right here. And this symmetrical triangle is very ominous. I can readjust. It was bearing a little bit of that there, and it was too deep. But it doesn't change anything. So, not time to buy. It's time to take your profits soon. I hope this video analysis has earned me the right to ask you for your upvote. I hope it will help you to augment your own due diligence. And I truly hope this can help de-risk you away from any potential losses. Right now is really the time to take de-risking strategy more than anything else. Thank you.